Hey gang, hey. Let's just jump right into this makeup tutorial. So you guys know skincare is always key for prepping for a nice, good makeup foundation day. So I'm starting out with some One Essential Serum by Dior, as well as the Chanel Micro Liquid Essence. You guys already know the Chanel's Micro Liquid Essence is my jam. Leaves my face feeling super smooth. And for primer, I am using the Chanel Le Blanc primer because it does have SPF in it. Make sure you wear SPF. And make sure you protect the lips too. I'm using the Dior Lip Sugar Scrub. Next, I'm going to be taking my liquid highlighter by Chanel. And I put this on like the high points of my face just so that my skin can glow from within. And I'm blending it out with these very unique BoxyCharm brushes. I'm actually using a liquid foundation today, shocker. I really like this. It just has a nice finish. As you can see, the coverage is very moderate, but it leaves your skin looking really, really nice. You guys know I love powder, but you know, every now and then you gotta switch it up. You know, keep you guys on your toes. I'm just going to zoom through these brows because I already have a brow tutorial on YouTube and Instagram. I just feel like that's unnecessary. You feel me? I load up on powders though, especially if I'm wearing liquid. And today I'm using two different powders. This is the Chanel powder as well as the Dior matte powder. Now the Dior matte powder, oh my gosh, if you have oily skin, I think I talked about this in my last video, it's a must have. And to bronze my face, I'm using the Chanel SOLEIL Tan Bronzer. This bronzer only comes in one shade, but I like it. And it works for me. If you guys hear people in the background, that's because it's like super noisy in my apartment building right now. But moving forward, show doesn't stop. To kind of set that cream product in place, I used the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade In the Sun. I've actually just recently hit pan on this, and it's kind of depressing. Oh my gosh, yo, they're making so much noise. Wow, bro. As you can see, I'm snatched. Like, she is giving you definition. It's time to move on to eyeshadow. I'm taking this Dose of Colors SASSY SIENNAS palette, and I got this in BoxyCharm as well. If you'd like to sign up for BoxyCharm, I'll leave my referral link down below. Help me help you, sis. I'm trying to get some free makeup too. I really just only used like 2 shades from the palette for this whole entire look, so this look was super easy to do. Anybody can do it, honestly. There's nothing complicated about it. I just put one color in the crease and the other on the lid and blend it out. I have everything listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you're interested to know which products I use. And for my lashes, I'm using the ZOLA lashes in the style Iris. I believe it's Iris. Moving on to lips, my favorite part. I like to consider myself a lip artist. I'm taking a warm tone brown lip liner. This one in particular is by Dior. And I pop a cherry liquid lip on top of it. And I thought that the lip came out super cute, but I felt like the look overall still needed a little pop, so I put this Dior Fusion Mono Shadow on top. And yeah, that is it. As you can see, that little touch just had me feeling myself because apparently I turned into a rapper. Let me know how you feel about this look down in the comments. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll be notified the next time that I upload. See you soon.